good as she fuck babe. Yeah, roll exotic when she gauge. Yeah, taking selfies at my page. Yeah, her nigga mad and I did late. Yeah, sorry if that made me bad. Yeah, I just gotta smash, I gotta smash. I'm at it. I'm a bad man, boy. Yeah, put a leash on it, nigga.
But niggas won't fight me. One more time, nigga. You let my love come down. You bring it all the way down, all the way down, all the way, all the way down. Come on, check it out. You with me, baby, you deserve to find a thing. I'm talking dollar bills and designer things. Me and you together, baby, no, we not the same. We keep it moving, baby girl, like a pinky ring. Got you feeling super freaky when you think of me. I got you dripping water, baby, like a water lily. So gonna take the top off, get on top of it.
Hey, Sunday, fun day. Back to business as usual come Monday. Cruising my ride on a Sunday, watching the time float away. Headed to the park with the Chavalitos play. Familias moving and moving to the DJ. Sunday's the last day for a fun day. Back to business as usual comes Monday. Making my check, 1, 2, what you wanna do? There's a party at the beach spot, come slide through. You can catch me in my homes from the ARG crew. Sipping on the OE brew, laying on the highness, talking to the brownies. Instead of people heard my song in the county. Superman be a classic. Tacos and menudo on a Sunday, gotta have it. Nobody bumping solis at the park. Rolling up a J cause it's time to spark. Barbecue and hit switch until it gets dark. I love my raza with all of my heart. Hey, cruising my ride on a Sunday, watching the time float away, yeah. Headed to the park with the Chavalitos play. Familias moving and grooving to the DJ. Sunday's the last day for a fun day. Back to business as usual comes Monday.
P-Spot, make some noise one time. DJ Sugar Bear is in the mix. Let's go. Okay, real quick, man, before we get off this one real quick. I need everybody, if you know this song, I need you to sing it with me. That's all I'm going to say. If you know it, sing it with me. If you know this one, I need you to sing it, AC. Come on. Okay. I promise I'll be there every day. I'm gonna love you until I die. Come time with me, baby. Yeah, I'm the one with the S on my chest. Forget about your ex. He don't know what love is. He just failed the test. Plus, he don't treat you right. He leaves you crying all night. He's like a kryptonite. I came to give you that strength so you could leave him behind. You could start all over, just press rewind. Cause he don't understand that you one of a kind. So sweet, so sexy, and so fine. I will fight till I get just to make you mine. I will never neglect you, never have time to stress you, and always respect you. Girl, you like a hidden treasure, and I promise the night is cold. The one that stays near, to find away your fears. You ain't gotta be scared. See, I put an end to your ex from a beating you up. Pulling on your hair. See, I came to save the day. A man like that shouldn't treat you that way. And I don't understand why you take that route. Look at yourself, you're beautiful inside and out. You need to drop that zero, swoop you out the key. Cause I can be a superhero. Do you follow my lead? I guarantee you, baby, I'm all that you need. See, you can change your plans. All you gotta do is call on me and I could be a Superman. Do something real quick. You guys give me a moment real quick. Get over here, Jonathan. Get your butt over here. Get over here. Real quick, man. I've been doing this for 20 years. 20 years strong, man. And I couldn't do it without this lady, man. I mean that from the bottom of my heart, like. It takes a man like this, but it takes a strong woman to back me up, man. She lets me live my dream for you guys, man. So thank you, and thank you to this beautiful lady. She didn't even know I was gonna do this. Hey, man. Hey, I love you guys, man, and thank you for all the support. V-Spot, thank you for the hospitality. Yo, she over here chilling. But thank you guys, man. I'm out.